Google Bard, Google Lambda, and ChatGPT are three of the most popular AI-powered language models that are changing the game in the field of natural language processing. These language models have been developed by some of the biggest tech giants, including Google and OpenAI, and have a wide range of applications in various industries. Google Bard, which is still in its beta testing phase, was primarily designed to augment Google's own search tool, but it is also set to become an automated support tool for businesses without the funds to pay for human support teams. It is built on Google's Lambda language model, which is an acronym for Language Model for Dialogue Applications. Lambda is designed to help machines have natural conversations with humans and understand the context of what is being said. Google Bard uses Lambda to generate responses to real-time events, making it a powerful tool for businesses to offer support to their customers. Google Bard is likely to be integrated into the Chrome browser and its Chromium derivative soon, and Google is expected to open it up to third-party developers in the future. On the other hand, ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI that is based on the Generative Pre-trained Transformer (GPT) architecture. ChatGPT is accessible through the ChatGPT website and is available in both free and paid plans. It uses its own GPT-3 model to generate text responses to user queries, and it has its own plagiarism checker, the GPT-2 output detector. ChatGPT produces answers from its trained database from 2021 and before, and it is restricted in its current GPT-3 model to data collected prior to 2022. While it may not have the real-time event response capability of Google Bard, it has creative applications that make it stand out. Google Lambda is the language model that powers Google Bard, and it is also an advanced AI language model developed by Google. It is designed to provide more natural and fluid communication with machines. Lambda can have discussions on any topic and can answer questions without knowing the context or specific details of a conversation. It can also process text, audio, and images and has the ability to carry out a range of conversational functions, from answering simple questions to participating in a dialogue. In essence, Google Lambda is designed to make human-machine interactions more seamless and efficient. One of the main differences between Google Bard, Google Lambda, and ChatGPT is the data they are trained on. While ChatGPT is based on slightly older data, Google Bard is built on data provided in recent years. However, that doesn't necessarily make it more accurate, as Google Bard has faced problems with incorrect answers to questions, even in its initial unveiling. This highlights the biggest limitation of AI chatbots and the importance of a rigorous testing process. Another key difference between these language models is their availability and pricing. Google Bard is currently free and in beta testing, while ChatGPT has both free and paid plans. Additionally, ChatGPT is accessible through the ChatGPT website, while Google Bard is likely to be integrated into the Chrome browser and its derivatives. Overall, the development of Google Bard, Google Lambda, and ChatGPT highlights the increasing potential of AI-powered language models in natural language processing. These language models are changing the way businesses and individuals interact with technology, and they have a wide range of applications in various industries, from customer service and support to creative writing and journalism. While they have their limitations and challenges, such as the need for rigorous testing and the potential for biased responses, these language models are set to continue making a significant impact on the world of natural language processing. If you want to learn more, please read the article. I am sure you will learn something new. Have a nice day.